Today we're going to be looking again at the story Too Many Tamales, and we're going to talk about the character change that Maria makes during the story. So much like earlier in the week when we read Under the Lemon Moon, we talked about the character change of Rosalinda from the beginning to the end. So when you get into the assignment, you're going to click for the Google assignment and make a copy of it. Remember, you might have to send it out to Safari. Right away, you're going to share it with me. And on this one, I've already done the beginning and the middle. All you need to do is fill in the end. So in the beginning of the story, what did she do? What did she say? And what did she feel? So in the beginning of the story, one of the things that she did was she took her mom's ring and put it on. And that kind of started out with her feeling kind of proud and grown up. So under the feeling I put, she felt proud and grown up. And one of the things that she said was, she said that she wondered what it would be like to wear her mom's ring. She said it to herself. In the middle of the story, what happened? What did she do? She lost the ring in the tamales and wanted to find it. One of the things that she said was she told the children to eat the tamales until they found the ring. And how she felt? She felt scared that the ring would not be found and that she would get in trouble. And now thinking about what happened at the end of the story, you're going to put what she did, what she said, and what she felt at the end of the story. That tells you what the change that she made from the beginning to the end. Once you're done with it, you've already shared it. You don't need to submit a screenshot or anything. All you need to do is just share it.